guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that my face is not really matching with whatever it is that I'm wearing, but don't worry, it's gonna match because today we are gonna do a Rakhi lookbook. Okay, before we get started, let me also tell you this. I'm totally inexperienced in making lookbook videos on YT, YouTube, because it goes in a landscape size. And in my house, in my room, I do not have enough space. I'll just show you how far I can go in my room, alright? That is exactly how far I can go in my room. So if I try to shoot a lookbook video, my feet are gonna get cut, probably my upper body is also gonna get cut. But this is not for you to worry, okay? I will handle, I'll take care. You chill and watch the video. You just have to do one thing. Just press the subscribe button down below. That is it, your job is finished. Are you manipulated? Anyway, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, the first thing that I have on is a peachy pink jumpsuit with mirror and embroidery work. It is a cape and a one shoulder jumpsuit. Below the whole jumpsuit is just georgette pink fabric. It gives an illusion of being a little taller than I am, due to which I can happily skip my heels. I'm not a heel person. So for this outfit, I've paired it up with a beautiful pair of golden sandals from Forever 21 and a gold clutch which I got from Soham Emporia, which exists in my city and probably not in yours, but you can surely look this up. And if I happen to find something similar, I'll definitely link it down in the caption below. To accessorize the look, I've gone with a Guess watch, which happens to be one of my most favorite watches that I have in my little collection. And to finish it off, I went with the House of India earring, which is basically a tall but a dainty one. Okay, so this peachy pink jumpsuit actually makes up for a very good daytime appropriate occasion wear. The main price, that is the original price of this outfit, was 2,400 rupees, but right now at this exact moment when I check my phone, I think some sort of discount is going on, which makes it available for 1,200 rupees. Insane, right? Okay, so this next outfit, I wanted to keep it a little bit fresh by adding this aqua color top to go with this dhoti skirt, which is an old purchase of mine from House of India, so it's probably not there in the website right now. However, this top is a very current purchase. I got it only for 700 rupees. As much as I love how this entire outfit looks, it would look a little bit brighter on somebody who has a different skin tone than mine, because this particular shade of maroon, which has a bit of the purplish undertone, actually tends to make my skin tone look a little bit dull. But that's fine. My whole wardrobe has each and every color that you can think of. I do not restrict myself from wearing almost any color. Due to the little lack of peach accessories, I paired it up with my white pearly hoop and this white pearly bracelet from the red box. Also, I did do heels this time because this is a pair of heel that is my absolute favorite. It is from the Truffle collection and it is very comfortable. So this next look actually gives me a really dreamy vibe wherein you can get like princessy pictures with your brothers this Rakhi. Mostly because of this gorgeous blue mesh skirt which I had been eyeing for the longest time. So the actual price of this one was around rupees 3,200 or 3,400, but currently right about now it's on sale at 1,600 rupees, which is an absolute steal. To go with this beautiful mesh skirt, I have paired it with my golden beige sort of top, which is also from House of India. It is an old purchase and you can find something similar in around 800 rupees in the website till now. This kind of shirts that are available in House of India are very versatile. Like, it can not just go with your ethnic pieces, but I also wear it with my jeans and like accessorize it sometimes, or like flare pants and accessorize it sometimes, and they look absolutely stunning. I just added this silver piece which I got from a local market in Goa, which you could have seen in one of my vlogs previously. I didn't add any earrings for this look because I just wanted the spotlight to be in my beautiful skirt. For the footwear, I have paired it with a beige heel. It is just 2 to 3 inches. As I already mentioned, I'm not good with heels, which is also kind of invisible in here. This might just be the smartest outfit that I could put together. This is probably my most favorite purchase of the whole 2020 and it's an almost ethnic piece, so I just wanted to put this somehow in the video. You will be seeing this whole piece together a lot in my Instagram. I'm absolutely impressed with it. It's so comfortable. The vertical stripes of this outfit makes me look so much taller, plus the color is absolutely soothing, perfect for summers. This is the kind of outfit that I would carry from literally anywhere, even a meeting to a family meeting. You do not really need to accessorize these kind of outfits a lot, which in itself have like good amount of prints or are already statement maker. Wearing a silver watch with my white heels. I've also added this dainty little fish jewelry in here, which I also got from a local market in Goa. And to top it off, I added this Carlton London white handbag, which is my most favorite accessory buy of this season. This almost goes with anything and everything and takes any of my outfits to a whole different level. I mean, a white handbag just does that to your outfit. So if you're deciding to invest in a good white handbag, just close your eyes and do it, because it's gonna be a savior to a lot of your outfits. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it at 4 looks this time, even though I have a couple of other ones that were planned, but this is my first one and I really want a genuine review from you guys. Are you enjoying this? Do you want to see more lookbook videos? If you do, please let me know. I'll do it. Please make sure to press that like and the subscribe, because this is like a new channel. I would probably like to have a little more subscribers. Not greedy and all about it, but you know, I would like it. Talking about Rakhi in my home, I have only one elder brother who is not at home. He currently lives in Bangalore for work. So obviously in my home, there's not going to be any such Rakhi as such. But I've already parceled him one and I hope it receives, I hope it gets to him before Rakhi, or at least in the day of Rakhi. Hoping. And that's it. I hope you guys have a good Rakhi celebration at your own home. Let me know how it goes. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.